Hey, George, what you playing there? Is that Pixel Rick a dot to the future? Ha! I beat that game like a gazillion times. You know they're gonna release a new Pixel Rick game for Christmas, right? Don't tell anyone, but my uncle works at Ultimate, so I got the new Ultimate 32 before anyone else. I could show you, but it's like top secret. Besides, I wouldn't show it to a dork like you. You're not ready for an Ultimate 32.
Oh, hi, honey. Oh, sorry I'm late. The open house took way too long. Where is your dad? He should be back by now. Oh, hey there, Mike.
Hi, Mrs. King.
David! Seriously? The day has barely started and you're already on that video game? You don't even know what's inside that plastic box. People are saying there's radiation leaking from it. Do you know what radiation could do to a growing boy?
Yeah, David. Maybe that's why you're so short.
Oh, my! You think so? Oh, no. I gotta ask the pediatrician about this. Doesn't he look happy? What's he holding? Is that a book? Such a nice book.
You know what? You suck so bad, you're ruining the game. Now I just have to go and play it for myself. See you later, dork. Bye, Mrs. King. I'm gonna take a walk around town with the old lady's friends.
Goodbye, sweetheart. Did you hear that, David? You should learn a little from Mike and find something more productive to do with your holidays. When I get off the phone, you better not be playing that thing. Do you understand? Hello? David, come say hi to your tia. I'm the video game having hypnotized. I know, I'm trying, but Greg keeps indulging. Why do I need to be the bad guy here? Can you believe David asked Christmas? Something called Ultimate 32? What does that even mean? Ultimate violence? I can't give him that. Oh, but it's Christmas. I don't want him to hate me. What am I going to do? But what can I do? I can't just shut off the power so he can play, right? Oh, you did? How did it go? Did you watch the news yesterday? That handsome doctor said video games can make kids forget how to speak. Don't you think David's been a bit too quiet lately? What's happening to kids these days? When we were little, we had to beg our parents to let us go out. Now all David wants to do is stay home all day. Amanda from finances? What? David! Are you still on that thing? I'm sorry, Isabella. I'm going to have to call you back. Okay, David, time's up. Do I need to force you to turn that thing off? That's it. I'm sorry, but I need to protect. Oh, but I just cleaned this room. Fine, you win. You can play while I make another call, but that's it, all right? Hey, Peter, this is Karen Keen. Still keen on finding you a home? Yes, it's catchy, isn't it? Come on, the commute isn't that far. Besides, who doesn't like driving? You finally have time to listen to all your mixtapes. David! How many times do I have to tell you? I'm so sorry. I'll call you back. You've been playing for too long. Well, where did this come from? What took you so... Oh, Greg, come on. How did you end up with a tree like that?
What? Oh, you're talking crazy. This is the best tree of the lot.
Really, Greg? That one?
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. There were so many trees. They were all so pretty. I couldn't choose just one. Oh, and then I got hungry, so I went to get a burger, but I got some mustard on my jacket, and, well, you know...
Stop. It's okay. We'll make it work. David, dear, I think your father needs your help fixing up that tree.
No. No need to bother. He must be in the middle of saving the world or something, right, Champ? I got this in the bag. You'll see, this caterpillar is about to turn into one beautiful butterfly.
Whatever you say, honey. Hi, Mr. White. This is Karen Keene. I'm sorry I couldn't take your call earlier. What's the matter? If you have any questions, I'm available 24/7.
Well,
An email?
nobody's gonna notice
Oh,
this.
no, I don't have one of those. But feel free to page me whenever you want. David, get off that game already! I'm so sorry. We can finish this later, right? What? How did this happen? Okay, David. I need to make a work call, so I'll let you play for just a few more minutes. Hello, this is Karen Keene, the realtor who is keen on finding you a home. There was an alligator? Oh, really? Are you sure it wasn't, I don't know, a dog? It's just, last time... Okay, I'm sorry. I'll see about that alligator. David, I can see you're still playing. Sorry, I need to deal with some... Oh, no, you didn't. You're making me lose my patience, David.
Oh, what about, I could just, no, that doesn't go there.
Hi, Miss Diaz. This is Karen Keene. I was told you had some questions for me. It's the perfect place to enjoy your retirement years. Oh, you're 36. Of course I knew that. I meant your future retirement. Distant future. What? David! Come on! Enough is enough! I'm so sorry. I'll call you back later. If you can't make good decisions for your... How did that...
Well, we all know
what
there's
a
no
mess.
creation without destruction, right? Well, maybe if I try... Aboard! Hey, honey, where are the rest of the decorations?
The expensive ones? They're locked in the closet upstairs.
Well, why are they locked?
I'll go get them for you.
Oh, wait, I can help!